Today I'm going to teach you how to embed Loom videos in Framer. This is incredibly useful if you want to showcase tutorials, product demos, or any video content directly on your Framer website without relying on external links. Let's dive right in. First, head over to loom.com and navigate to the specific Loom video you want to embed. Once you've opened your video, look at the top of the screen where you'll find a share button. Click on share, and from the options that appear, select embed. This action will give you access to the embed code needed to place your video on your Framer site. After clicking embed, you'll see an option to copy embed code. Go ahead and click that to copy the code to your clipboard. This code is what allows your Loom video to be displayed seamlessly within your website, so make sure it's copied correctly before moving to the next step. Now switch over to your Framer project or website. At the top of your Framer workspace, click on Insert. This is where you'll find various elements and utilities that you can add to your site. From the menu that appears, click on Utility. You'll see several options here, but what you're looking for is the embed element. Drag the embed element onto your website where you'd like the Loom video to appear. With the embed element now placed on your site, shift your attention to the right side panel. Under the embed section, you'll notice a field labeled Type. Beside it, you'll have two choices, URL or HTML. For embedding Loom videos properly, you need to click on HTML. This ensures that the video is embedded using the code rather than just a simple link. Next, paste the embed code you copied from Loom into the HTML field. Simply right-click and paste, or use the keyboard shortcut to insert the code. This step integrates the Loom video directly into your Framer site. Here's an important detail: you'll need to clean up the code slightly. Look at the start of the code and remove the div tag. Then scroll to the end of the code and remove the closing div tag as well. This adjustment ensures the video embeds correctly without any unnecessary wrapper elements that could interfere with the display. And that's it. Your Loom video is now embedded on your Framer website. Your visitors can watch the video directly on your site without being redirected elsewhere. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.